The Harley Davidson Knucklehead 2026 stands as a legendary rebirth of a name that shaped the foundation of cruiser culture. This new model takes the soul of the original 1936 Knucklehead and infuses it with modern power, technology, and a design language that speaks directly to motorcycle lovers who crave heritage with performance. From the moment the engine starts, the deep, iconic rumble tells you that this machine is not just a bike, but a statement of tradition brought into the future. Harley Davidson has perfected the balance of classic styling and advanced engineering, creating a motorcycle that feels historic yet thrillingly modern. The 2026 Knucklehead uses a re-engineered V-twin engine inspired by the old-school design of the iconic knuckle-shaped rocker boxes, but now built with cutting-edge materials for improved reliability, efficiency, and smoothness. The throttle response is crisp, the torque delivery is strong from the low RPM range, and the exhaust note carries that unmistakable Harley pulse. Riders will instantly notice how the bike combines vintage charm with state-of-the-art engineering. The modernized fuel injection, refined cooling system, and lightweight internal components make the 2026 engine extremely responsive, while still honoring the original architecture that made the Knucklehead a legend. The design of the 2026 Knucklehead is where nostalgia and innovation meet seamlessly. Harley Davidson has used steel, chrome, and brushed metal elements to give the motorcycle a raw mechanical feel. But the curves and lines stay loyal to the vintage Knucklehead silhouette. The teardrop fuel tank is sculpted with extra precision, featuring a minimalist retro badge that adds authenticity. The fenders are shaped to reflect the classic era, but have been redesigned for better aerodynamics and road performance. LED lighting has been integrated without disturbing the vintage look, offering a modern touch while preserving the legendary styling. When you sit on the 2026 Knucklehead, you immediately feel the comfortable and commanding riding posture. The seat has been hand-stitched with premium leather, blending luxury with old-school craftsmanship. The handlebars have been positioned to keep the rider relaxed during long cruising sessions. Even the foot controls have been reworked for smoother operation, giving the rider a sense of total control. Despite its classic appearance, the bike includes updated suspension technology, with adjustable rear shocks and a refined front fork setup that absorbs road imperfections effortlessly. This allows the Knucklehead 2026 to glide smoothly on highways and maintain stability on uneven asphalt. In terms of performance, the Harley Davidson Knucklehead 2026 does not disappoint. The torque-heavy engine offers effortless acceleration, perfect for highway overtakes and powerful takeoffs from a stop. The gearbox transitions are smooth and solid, giving you confidence with each gear change. The improved frame geometry adds handling precision, making the motorcycle surprisingly agile for a retro-styled cruiser. Whether you're leaning into wide curves or cruising in a straight line, the bike remains steady and planted. The braking system has also been upgraded with dual front discs and ABS technology, ensuring strong stopping power while maintaining rider safety. Technology has been integrated into the 2026 Knucklehead in a subtle but effective way. It comes with a compact, vintage-inspired digital analog meter that displays essential riding information like speed, RPM, fuel level, temperature, and trip data. Riders also benefit from Bluetooth connectivity for navigation and riding notifications, all controlled through a discrete switch system that does not interfere with the classic look. Harley Davidson has designed this motorcycle to appeal to riders who want modern convenience without sacrificing the historic feel of the Knucklehead lineage. The riding experience of the 2026 Knucklehead is emotional, powerful, and immersive. As you cruise down the road, the bike's rumbling heartbeat, smooth throttle response, and comfortable seating position work together to create a pure motorcycling sensation. You feel the heritage beneath you, yet every moment on the bike reminds you that this is a modern machine capable of handling today's roads with ease. The suspension's comfort, the refined engine, and the stability at high speeds all contribute to a ride that is both nostalgic and contemporary. It's the kind of ride that makes long journeys feel effortless, while city commutes become more enjoyable due to its responsive handling. Every detail on the Harley Davidson Knucklehead 2026 has been crafted with passion and respect for the original. The chrome accents shine beautifully under sunlight. The deep paint tones reflect premium craftsmanship, and the mechanical components are showcased in an elegant yet rugged manner. Even when standing still, the 2026 Knucklehead demands attention. It's a motorcycle that celebrates history, inspires emotion, and delivers performance that excites riders of all generations. The Harley Davidson Knucklehead 2026 is more than a motorcycle. It is a revival of a legend. Harley Davidson brings back the spirit of the classic Knucklehead, but elevates it with modern innovations, refined engineering, and advanced technology. This bike will appeal to riders who love tradition, value craftsmanship, and appreciate a motorcycle that blends heritage with present-day excellence. Whether parked in a showroom, rolling down the highway, or idling at a stoplight, the 2026 Knucklehead radiates personality and presence. With its combination of timeless design, powerful performance, and modern reliability, it truly represents the rebirth of an icon for the new era of motorcycling.